Message I've been kind of digesting for a little bit. But I just want to say the God is already within you, right? If you understand Egyptian mythology, Kemetic mythology, you understand that over time, people embodied these gods and goddesses. So while you're busy calling on God, all these gods and goddesses to come and help you, they're waiting on you to open up to heal your body, clear that damage, so they can come into your body at their full strength, and you have a full connection to divine spirit. Because if you don't deal with your shadow work, you become the more the shadow aspect that you probably don't want to be, or maybe you have too much light and you might need more shadow. But that's the importance of learning balance within yourself and understanding what all these esoteric teachings are talking about. When we're saying you are God, it's because your body is an open channel for God to come through and operate. And that's all I can say about it, because you just that's why all this spirituality is an inner process work, because you have to find out which goddess, which god you are meant to embody, or who wants or who can embody you. Or if you're a I mean, it's just like that. Is you have to find the god or goddess that you're supposed to be channeling. So as you're finding that God aspect of yourself, you're also refining and healing your body, so uh, you can receive the full uh, deity, I suppose, within you. Because in Egyptian lore, I just read this, so it clicked, it made sense, where the bodies were mummified carefully so that the spirit could return to it. And if the body was damaged or separated into pieces, the spirit couldn't return to that body. So while we're busy trying to summon them, they're you're supposed to be clearing yourself out so that it can be summoned, you know. And some of y'all calling down spirits, and they're just feeling whoever is open. By the way, so that's why you gotta be mindful of who you're calling down and who you're naming. And that's why it's important to understand who you are and know who know what you're supposed to be filled with and how you're operating that energy. And that is essentially how you get to where you're supposed to be at, how you understand yourself. And so the more of us who awaken to who we are, the more that we heal our bodies. Like, that's why you have to cleanse and purge out parasites and toxins. Like, I just did a whole purge, like a parasitic purge, and I probably still have more to do, but this first wave of just eliminating the literal parasites that were inside my body, and now my thoughts are so much clearer. Like, dude, it's like you just wouldn't even, you just gotta get there to understand. And so you clear your body of parasites and you heal emotional wounds as well, because emotional wounds are wounds in your heart. And you heal your physical ailments. You know, you need your cells regenerized. You need your bones set in the right place. You need your muscles relaxed. You need your nerves relaxed and firing as they should. And this is all part of the shadow work. You know, this is all part of the God awakening. You gotta have a clean diet, or if you're gonna eat whatever you want, you're gonna be one of those type people. You gotta cleanse out your system from the things that you pick up. You have to use crystals to amplify and heal your energy, your aura around you, and you have to get sunlight and touch the earth to be grounded into where you are, because we aren't trees, but we're like walking trees. So we're still here on this planet and we still receive everything we need from this earth, but we're able to walk around and operate as a god. So become the deity of your realm. And then once everybody finally wakes up to who they are, once enough people wake up to who they are, we can finally have this God Council meeting and get things in order. Because Shasha is waiting. and I'm waiting on everybody else.